What's up, YouTube? This is Anthony Lyons again with AL Designs, coming to you with another video. This time we have a boat, 2019 Starcraft 211 MDX. Very nice boat, pretty much brand new. I'm gonna put some goodies in here. We got a dual battery system going in. We got a 5-channel amplifier, a subwoofer install. Stay tuned for all these goodies in this really nice boat on Kitsap Lake. Stay tuned. And here we go. We're gonna get started on this boat, the Starcraft. Everybody say hi to Chase. Chase, he's still moving around. So here's all the good stuff. We got a digital Diamond Audio 5-channel going in. We've got a ground bus bar. We've got the Add a Battery Blue Sea systems switch and relay. I'll get into them a little bit more in depth on that later on. But then you got the 10-inch marine kicker. The factory system that's in the boat already has 4 6.5-inch speakers. We're gonna add a little bass to it. That's why that's the 5-channel, power all that up. And then you got your deep cycle marine battery. So here's all the goodies I was mentioning, and we are going to get started. Stay tuned. And for the dual battery setup in the Starcraft, all complete. We have the house battery up towards the top, the engine battery towards the back. We have the larger fuse for the 5-channel amp. The fuse next to it's for the house battery, and then the other fuse is for the engine. The ABS panel was created to hold the switch and also the automatic relay. And then there's a ground bus bar for all grounds in the system. So now on to the subwoofer and amplifier install. Stay tuned. All right, so now that we're done with the dual battery setup in the engine compartment, or should I say battery compartment, this is the outboard. So in the battery compartment, we have the dual battery setup all finished, all good to go. And now on to the subwoofer install. Here's gonna be where the cutout goes. Again, this boat is already equipped with 4 of the 6.5-inch kicker marine speakers, as well as the head unit by Kicker, all marine grade. So we're gonna match up this 10-inch subwoofer. Again, it's an infinite baffle, which means it doesn't need an enclosure. Just a 10-inch woofer, about 300 watts of power going to it. In this compartment here, I have the 5-channel amp. All the wires are on ABS, or should I say it's mounted on the ABS board, just like the board that has the switches and the relay inside the engine compartment for the dual battery setup. Here's all the wires. Real easy, quick connection up to there. So stay tuned for the final install of the Starcraft. Stay tuned. And that's it for the 2019 Starcraft. Again, little recap. Kicker, sound system, marine already was installed, came with the boat. I added a 10-inch subwoofer. Did the dual battery setup as you saw in the video. Got a bass knob here for the 5-channel amp. 5-channel amp is in this compartment, tucked away, marine grade, all connections, wire terminals, everything marine grade. Please hit that like and subscribe for future videos, content from AL Designs. Stay tuned. Say hi, Mira. All right.